Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to block YouTube ads. So if you are using iOS or iPhone, just go ahead to your Safari and search for something called block YouTube ads shortcut. So what you're going to do next, you're going to just go ahead into the Reddit website, and I'm going to just go ahead right here and click the first link that appears to you to download this shortcut, and it will direct you to another link. Okay, and now what you're gonna do, simply just go ahead and add the shortcut and just cancel, and you will see right here, if we click on the shortcut, you're gonna just click on it and it will run right away. And just please make sure that your JavaScript is turned on your Safari by just going ahead to right here to your settings. Go ahead to your Safari, let me wait up, go ahead to the Safari right here and make sure that the Java script right here, let me just go ahead right here to the advanced and make sure that the Java script is toggled on so you can right away play it. Okay, and now what you're gonna do next, you're gonna just go ahead simply to the shortcut, let me search for it, and just click on the block YouTube ads, and you can just simply just go ahead and browser the YouTube. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.